Hello viewers, monsoon is here and what's better than a comforting bowl of soup to have in this season? Our today's recipe is a healthy and tasty tomato and carrot soup recipe which is one of our family favorite. With sweetness of fresh carrots and onions and a slight tang from the tomatoes, this soup is easy to prepare and comes together in minutes. Let's begin. Firstly, we will roughly chop the vegetables one by one. Once they are chopped, we will take a pressure cooker and add butter and a teaspoon of refined oil. Once the butter melts, we will add our veggies and saute them for a minute. I am adding coriander stems to add some more flavors, but it's completely optional. Now let's add the powdered spices. Please refer the description box for all the quantities of the ingredients that has been used in the recipe. Once all the spices are added, give a quick mix and add sufficient amount of water. Cover the lid and steam for 10 minutes. While our soup is on steam, let's cut our breads into cubes by removing the sides for our croutons. We shall open the lid after 2 whistles, and now with the help of a hand blender, we will blend the boiled mixture. After blending, we shall strain the mixture in a separate bowl. We will transfer the strained liquid to a pan and adjust the seasoning by adding salt and sugar and cover the lid and let it boil for 5 more minutes. In the meanwhile, let's take a separate pan and add butter and a teaspoon of refined oil, and let's shallow fry the croutons until they are crisp and golden in color. Our soup has reduced to a good consistency. Let's add a dollop of butter and finish it up. Delicious tomato and carrot soup is ready to be served. Garnish it with crushed black pepper powder, croutons and fresh coriander and serve hot. Nothing can comfort the body and mind as quickly and efficiently as a hearty bowl of soup does. Have it as a light meal or a healthy snack. This soup is a perfect option to feed the soul. Dear viewers, if you are looking for some healthy and comforting meal options, then do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. This is Traditional Tales signing off for the day. Stay tuned and happy cooking!